Hey guys, this is a quick bonus video because I felt like recording another one. I don't know why or how I have so much energy today, but I do, so I'm gonna play for you some more. So here we go, 2 reels, an old time and a Scottish one. So this is Kitchen Girl, and I'll have to look up the other one. Or maybe I'll think of it before the end of the tune.